सो रेडियो सिटी 91.1 पर दिस इज आदि। अक्सर आप रेडियो पे मुझे सुनते हैं, साथ में मेरे जोड़ीदार को सुनते हैं, यानी कि गाना बजता है
माना।
आदि मानव आ गए हैं। यस। लेकिन आज मैं अकेला हूँ सर, बिकॉज मैंने सोचा कि फटाफट मैं ये सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन ले लेता हूँ, सब तक पहुंचाता हूँ, और उसके बाद मानव को भी तसल्ली से बैठ के समझा दूंगा। सो यस, वी हैव अ वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट टुडे, एंड वी आर हियर टू टॉक अबाउट अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक विच इज BPH। अब इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन गलत ना हो, इसलिए मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा टू आवर गेस्ट टू इंट्रोड्यूस हिमसेल्फ, और उसके बाद BPH की प्रोनाउंसिएशन सही और फुल फॉर्म भी बता दें। सर, वेरी वेलकम टू रेडियो सिटी।
Thank you, Adi, for your kind information and welcoming me to this 91.5 FM. Okay.
थैंक यू।
Myself, Dr. Upvan Chauhan. I am a principal consultant in urology, andrology, oncorobotics, and kidney transplant surgeon in Max Healthcare. And today I'll be giving some information on BPH. BPH is benign prostatic hyperplasia. Benign prostatic hyperplasia is a normal enlargement of the prostate that is with aging. With age, the prostate grows and it's
Okay.
known as benign. That's why it's called benign. That is known
Okay.
cancer.
All right, all right. But sir, सबसे पहले मेरे ख्याल से it's very important for all of us to understand what is prostate. So एक बार वो
Prostate.
बताइए.
Prostate is a small gland in the males. It's located just below the bladder and it surrounds the urethra. That is, urethra passes through the prostate, and the function of the prostate is to produce some amount of semen secretions, and it grows with age. Okay.
अच्छा, okay.
When it grows with age, it causes obstruction, and then the symptoms may occur.
Okay, okay. और common disease conditions और of prostate क्या हैं सर?
Common disease of prostate are prostatitis. This occurs generally in young males, that is the middle-aged men between 35 to 45 years of age. Then benign prostatic hyperplasia, that occurs after 50 years of age generally.
Okay.
The most important is the prostate cancer, which can occur right from 45 to 80 years of age.
Okay, क्योंकि हमने सर इसमें से सबसे ज्यादा कॉमन यही सुना है, which is prostate cancer. And BPH, if we have to talk about it, अगर आपको इसको पूरा एक्सप्लेन करना हो, so what is BPH in simple terms, ताकि सारे आम लोगों को समझ आ जाए.
BPH is a known cancerous growth of the prostate. Because of the normal testosterone of the males, the prostate grows. That is, the cells in the prostate grow. And that is why it is known as benign. Benign means known cancers.
No, okay.
Growth of the prostate. And that occurs generally with aging. After 45 years of age, the prostate size increases.
Okay. Yeah. So basically, अगर इसको बिल्कुल simple भाषा में बोलना, तो this is what it is.
This is a normal aging process and it is a non-cancerous.
All right. अच्छा, the next question will be, sir, I'm sure सबके दिमाग में भी इस time वही आ रहा होगा. What causes this BPH? What are the causes of BPH?
The causes of BPH it is generally a aging process and the testosterone, which leads to the feeding of the prostatic cells.
All right. Okay. और कुछ ऐसा होता है सर, हर चीज का जैसे symptoms होते हैं. So for this also, are there any symptoms that we should be aware of, or we should look, ऐसा ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि okay?
Definitely. Prostatic symptoms are generally, they may be obstructive. That is, रुकावट कर सकते हैं, या they may be irritating. Obstructive में the patient will have the sense of incomplete evacuation. That is, he is not able to pass his urine completely, and his stream would be low. That is, he would have to strain over passing urine. Okay. And the post of dribbling may be there. After passing urine, some drops may drop down over his pajamas or pants. Okay.
Okay.
And the other symptoms which are there are irritative. Irritative means the patient has to pass urine very frequently. He has a severe urge to pass urine. Okay. And he has a severe urgency and frequency. And he has to wake up in night for urination. These are the common symptoms
All right.
which a common man after 45 years of age should look to it.
Okay. मतलब अगर ऐसा कुछ हो तो वो ध्यान रखें and they should
ध्यान
directly
रखें and he should
consult.
consult with doctor.
All right. इसमें से most of the मतलब आपने बताई दी all the symptoms. तो सबसे troublesome symptom कौन सा है आपके हिसाब से?
सबसे troublesome symptom होता है कि the patient has a frequency, urgency. That his day-to-day activities are disturbed by the number of times he has to go to the loo.
That sounds irritating. अगर किसी को ये face करना पड़े
again and again he has the sensation, I have not passed urine, and he has to. That is the most disturbing one.
It is indeed, sir, and I'm sure ये सारी बातें सुन के ना, the question that everyone must be thinking is treatment कितना possible है, क्या है या नहीं है?
Definitely, that prostate cancer has a benign prostatic hyperplasia. The treatment is very simple. Okay.
Oh, all right. Okay.
Yeah. Initially, it is the day-to-day life modifications.
अरे वाह. All right. All right.
Yeah. अगर mild symptoms हैं तो day-to-day life modifications will help the patient. Definitely. That is he should cut down over the fluid intake during the night. Okay.
Okay.
And he should have a regular exercise schedule. Okay. And he should avoid irritative foods such as caffeine and all these things.
Oh, okay. तो चाय भी नहीं पीनी चाहिए सर?
हाँ, चाय तो पी सकते हैं पर कैफीन को थोड़ा सा अवॉइड करें, है ना? It should not be excessive. That excessive caffeine basically irritates the bladder, and जो मैं frequency जो symptom बता रहा हूँ वो बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है उसकी वजह से.
सर एक बात तो है, मतलब मुझे लगता है अधिकतर problems का solution है to change your lifestyle.
Yeah, definitely. That is the most. This is the preventive thing, and changing the lifestyle helps very much.
So, sir, anything, because during this COVID times, क्या हुआ है कि everyone is thinking of how to increase their immunity, how to improve their immunity, and they're just thinking about COVID. So, anything that you have to tell to all our listeners, all our viewers right now, कि भाई ठीक है, COVID is very important. We need to take care of that.
Yeah. COVID is definitely very important, but you should not ignore your prostatic symptoms also.
True.
All these simple symptoms which are because of the benign prostatic hyperplasia, that is the non-cancerous thing. They may because of the cancerous prostate also. Similar symptoms appear in the cancerous prostate also. So therefore, if there are any urinary tract symptoms, lower urinary tract symptoms, so they should definitely come and see the doctor. That is very important. And during the COVID times, plenty of fluids and lifestyle modifications is very important.
I'm sure, sir. ये बातें सुन के people will be very aware of it, and they will not just think कि एक आध दिन की problem है. अगर ऐसे कोई भी symptoms आए, they will definitely
they should consult a doctor.
Consult a doctor.
Yeah.
Perfect, sir. Thank you so much for giving out time, because आप अभी गाड़ी में हैं, मैं समझ सकता हूँ अभी भी आप कहीं जा रहे हैं to treat one of us. So I am thanking you again, and I'm wishing you all the best, and salute for being there for all of us all the time.
Thank you so much, Adi. Thank you. It's
have
nice
a great
talking
day,
to you. Yeah.
Likewise, sir. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Radio City.